Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tween Toys is probably one of the most challenging gifts to pick, because 11-year-olds are at a pivotal stage, transitioning from childhood to adolescence. Their interests are diverse and rapidly changing, ranging from creative pursuits like art and crafting to more complex activities such as strategy games and STEM-related projects. Finding the perfect toy requires careful consideration of their individual personalities, hobbies, and developmental stage. Number 5. SHASHIBO Shape-Shifting Box. It's unlike any other puzzle box. With 36 rare earth magnets, it transforms into over 70 unique shapes, offering endless creative possibilities. It's durably built with premium plastic, strong magnets, and a beautiful finish. Each side features unique, artistic patterns for an ever-changing visual experience. The strong magnets let you connect multiple cubes to build even larger structures and sculptures. The possibilities are truly endless. It makes a fantastic gift for all ages. Its calming, therapeutic effect helps relieve stress and encourages creative play. Designed in the US and Germany, it challenges your senses, builds coordination, and brings people together for hours of fun. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like? It can transform into over 70 different shapes thanks to its innovative magnetic design. If you are looking for a creative and challenging toy that encourages imaginative play, this is the perfect choice. This shape-shifting box will provide hours of fun and creative exploration for kids who love to build and design. What people say. It's always a new puzzle at every twist. The design is absolutely brilliant. What starts as a compact cube transforms into endless shapes that are both fun to explore and surprisingly artistic. It's almost like having a little piece of magic in your hands. The magnets inside are strong and keep the shapes secure, which makes the entire process feel smooth and satisfying. Number 4. Young Chef's Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you, filled with 100+ delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with a wide variety of recipes, from tasty appetizers to satisfying main courses and delightful desserts. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions and clear photos, making it easy for even beginner cooks to master each dish. Cooking should be fun. This cookbook makes learning to cook an enjoyable experience with its engaging layout and delicious recipes. With this cookbook, you'll gain the confidence to experiment in the kitchen and create your own culinary masterpieces. Let's get cooking. Grab your aprons and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. This cookbook is your guide to becoming a confident and creative young chef. What we like? This cookbook is filled with over 100 kid-friendly recipes that are both delicious and easy to make. If you're looking for a way to get your kids interested in cooking and teach them valuable life skills, this is it. It's a great way to bond with your kids while teaching them about healthy eating and kitchen safety. What people say. Good recipes for cooks of all ages. Recipe directions are clear. Many good hints. A worthwhile purchase for older kids through teens, and for beginner cooks. As a family and consumer science teacher for over 20 years and a few thousand students, this is great. Easy to read. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. Basic recipes with good directions and photos. The possibilities available in this book are a great beginning to open the imaginations of curious kids to tastes, textures, and the many rewards and confidence boost of good cooking. Number 3. Refasy Piggy Bank ATM. It's more than just a piggy bank, it's a fun and interactive way for kids to save their money. Watch them learn about saving with this exciting electronic bank. The simple design makes it easy for little ones to deposit and withdraw their coins. It's designed for independent use, fostering responsibility. It features a realistic ATM-style interface, making saving fun and engaging. Kids will love the sounds and lights. This piggy bank is built to last, keeping their hard-earned money safe and sound. Its durable construction can withstand daily use. It's the ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It encourages good saving habits from a young age, making it a valuable and fun present. This interactive piggy bank makes saving fun and rewarding. See their excitement as their savings grow. What we like? It's an electronic piggy bank that makes saving money fun and engaging for kids. If your child is learning about saving and wants a fun way to track their progress, this is a great option. It adds an element of fun to saving, encouraging kids to reach their savings goals. What people say. The product seems well made and has held up really well, even after months of use. It's a cute and practical gift idea for any kid. It's easy to use and has many safeguards in case the password is forgotten. Plus you can create and change the password and change the sounds that the bank makes. The durability is great, it hasn't broken yet after multiple drops. It is also a good reasonable size. This product is also educational and teaches children how to memorize, create passcodes and encourages saving. Number 2. Holy Stone HS-190 Mini Drone. It features a one-click takeoff and landing, making it super easy to control, even for kids. Plus, the 3D flips add an extra thrill to the flying experience. Altitude hold lets it hover steadily, and headless mode means directions are always relative to you. It's perfect for kids and beginners. It comes with 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, so kids of all skill levels can enjoy flying it. The propellers are protected by a guard to keep little fingers safe, and the emergency stop function ensures a quick and safe landing. It's incredibly compact, folding neatly into its controller. Take it anywhere, parties, school, even on vacation. This drone makes a fantastic gift for kids and beginners. It's fun, easy to use, and safe. We offer a 30-day warranty on the drone and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This mini drone is incredibly easy to fly, even for beginners, with features like altitude hold and headless mode. If you are looking for a fun and exciting toy that's also easy to control, this drone is perfect for kids of all skill levels. Its portability makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor fun. What people say. This little drone is fun and is great practice for me to learn how properly control a drone. After I had this drone for a week, I can say that it is awesome. I can use this drone anywhere around my house and crash it into walls and it turns out fine. This mini drone from Holy Stone is very responsive and full of features. It is perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who just wants to have fun. It is also useful for practicing your flying skills, both indoors and outdoors. It has several colored LEDs on the drone body and a bright white LED in the front, which look cool and also provide a method of tracking the drone and its orientation. It has 3 speeds from which to choose. All of the features worked great from the start. The one-key takeoff and landing functions performed well. The high-speed rotation and flip mode are fun to try and watch. This is a great little drone for beginners or anyone really. This has some nice features for something so small. Easy to learn, nice features, responsive, just plain fun to fly around the house. It has 3 speeds, the default speed is the slowest and easiest. The auto takeoff and landing worked perfect, and on landing you can still control the direction of the drone. The flips were fast and tight and worked great in all directions. Number 1. Winning Fingers Flashing Cube. It enhances hand-eye coordination and reaction time. With 4 exciting games, it provides hours of fun for children and adults. This electronic memory game challenges your memory and speed. Memorize and repeat the light sequences to boost your concentration. Play fast-paced games like Chase Me and Catch Me to test your speed and accuracy. It's great for developing motor skills and encouraging friendly competition. Activate the light show for a captivating display. It's a perfect addition to any family game night, fun for players of all ages. Made from durable materials, it's perfect for memory games on the go. Its portable design makes it an ideal travel companion. This 4-in-1 handheld game is a fantastic educational gift for kids ages 6 to 12. It's hours of fun and learning for everyone. What we like. This flashing cube features 4 different games to challenge memory, reaction time, and problem-solving skills. If you're looking for a fun and educational toy that will keep kids entertained for hours, this is a great choice. It's also small enough to take anywhere, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go fun. What people say. Great for memory and hand-eye coordination. Great quality. Multiple games to play. Fun and challenging games. It keeps my brain occupied and my fingers moving when I can't sit still. Not to mention, the music that plays in the menu is a certified BOP. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.